coevolution, mutualism, and other ecological symbionts. As denizens of planet Earth, we are truly blessed with Darwin's endless forms most beautiful and most wonderful. Perhaps the most remarkable of these, which provide compelling support for natural selection, are examples in which species have coevolved structures, functions, and behaviors that are deeply and mutually interdependent. Clearly, in such cases, each of the interacting species provides a crucial biotic component of the environment that directly shaped the evolutionary history of the other. In such cases, both species usually have their own gene pools. Quite often, we can observe a metaphorical arms race between parasites and hosts, predators and prey, and consumers and producers. Alongside the more violent aspects of the struggle for existence, the nature red in tooth and claw, cooperative relationships also abound. Any aspect of the requirements of life, formation of a niche, protection from the elements, acquisition of energy and raw materials, including metabolic steps that cannot be completed by one species, but are routinely completed by others, and dispersal of pollen and seeds, will be subject to the principle of EEP. In general, a rule of thumb is that any opportunity that brings two or more species into proximity and would serve to increase the abundance of one or more of those species will probably be discovered by trial and error, and quite possibly may lead to a coevolutionary relationship between those interacting species. Sometimes those relationships will benefit one species and not harm the other. For example, squirrels making their nest in the treetops. Sometimes one will benefit at the expense of the other, predator-prey relationships and parasitism, and sometimes both will benefit, normal strains of E. coli benefiting from the food and warmth of the human gut while providing essential nutrients to the host.